This short guide explains how to buy shares of Liberty Broadband Corporation. Liberty Broadband trades on NASDAQ under the ticker LBRDK. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with a photo ID, and add funds to make a purchase. Use the platform's search box and type the ticker LBRDK to find the company listing. Confirm you select the Liberty Broadband Corporation entry that appears on NASDAQ. On the asset page, you can read a short company summary and view the price chart to confirm details. Make sure the company description matches Liberty Broadband before proceeding. Click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to purchase, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set as a pending order, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Once filled, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same demo.